It's estimated that repairing Venezuela's broken oil facilities could cost $60 billion. But President Trump says US companies will fix it and sell Venezuela's oil to cover the costs of Washington's intervention. Venezuela only accounts for 1% of the global oil production, but it's estimated to have 300 billion barrels worth, which means it has the largest oil reserves in the world. China, which is the world's largest importer of crude, is Venezuela's biggest oil customer. Experts say Trump's plan for US control of Venezuela's oil could further inflame tensions with Beijing. China called the removal of Nicolas Maduro a hegemonic act violating international law. Washington's aim of controlling Venezuela's oil exports is being seen as a move made partly to slow China's progress. And China is not the only potential loser. During the 1990s, Venezuela was the largest exporter of crude oil to the US. The US sanctions on the Hugo Chavez and later Maduro governments, along with mismanagement and lack of investment, sent Venezuela's oil production into steep decline. Canada stepped into the breach and is now the largest energy supplier to the US. Analysts say Canada could suffer in the long term if Venezuela starts supplying heavily to the US again. Then there's the issue of the particular type of oil Venezuela has. Experts predict many US refineries will have to be adapted to take the heavier, sulfur-rich crude again. And what about the effect on the oil market? Most energy insiders do not expect a major impact on prices in the short term, but if the US plan goes ahead, any internal political or social unrest inside Venezuela could pose a risk to energy markets. And then there's the war in Ukraine. Trump's aim to drive down oil prices below $50 a barrel would benefit him politically at home. But analysts say it would also financially hurt Russia, which despite sanctions remains so reliant on oil exports to fund its war in Ukraine. Charles Stratford, Al Jazeera.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.